guys, thanks for joining me for another unboxing video. Another box of goodies. How you doing? I hope your week's gone great, guys, and I'm hoping to get this up this afternoon or this evening, Friday. Got a package in the mail yesterday. Lots of goodies. Right, first of all, Shaverage, and we're going with Sheppy's. I haven't had one of these for a while. Vintage Reserve Cider, oak aged. Here we go, and it's 7.4%, I think it says there. Does it? Yeah. I'll crack this open. Oh, what a week I've had, guys. I was hoping for a relaxing week. The past 2 days I've been helping the youngest move house. A couple of people let her down, so I stepped in. I'm knackered. Going back to work for a rest. Right, here we go. Cheers, guys. All the best. You get that rich, sourish apple. It's nice. Right, first of all, this came by parcel force. I'm extremely disappointed. That's how it came, guys. And initially I thought, oh, the aftershaves have broken or something. No, I smelt it and it stunk of coffee. So the guy in the van has obviously been drinking coffee and he spilled his drink all over my parcel. Not impressed, but hopefully everything's all right inside. And I didn't get a knife. Right, see if we can rip it open. Nope. Bear with me, I need a knife. Wait there. Draper. Yeah, that's staying in. Nothing gets edited. I'm looking forward to this. Got to be careful as well. And I purchased these off my dear friend Joseph Fett. Hey Joseph, Lana, you okay? And it still stinks of coffee. He's dwindling down his collection, and he's sticking with 5 artisans. So he had some soaps and splash sets for sale. So I jumped at the opportunity. Right, here we go, guys. First one, let me make a bit of room here. And it's Almond Biscotti, McDuff's. Beautiful label, cool label. And if you notice the biscotti, you might think it's spelt wrong, but no. It's spelt the way of the breed of the dog, the biscotti dog. And I'm looking forward to this. I've got Cella, which is like an almond scent. And that, is it amaretto? No, it's not amaretto, is it? Oh, you can smell the almond and the coffee roast. That's beautiful. Is that in the V4 formula? I think these are in the, is it the V4 formula? Because the V2 formula, the base, it wasn't, it was a bit funky, but I think they've sorted it out. So that's the first one, guys. Second one is Coast to Coast. I believe this is quite an unusual scent. So, what does it say? Oh yeah, ginger ale, maple syrup, rye, whiskey, spice, herbs, citrus and amber. The notes are right up my street. Yeah, you get the citrus. Yeah, there's a bit of whiskey there as well. Oh, that's beautiful. That is unusual. I think he's only used it once. I think the ones that have been used once. That one hasn't been used at all by the looks of it. These are all McDuff's, by the way. Right, next one, Birch Root. Absolutely looking forward to this as well. Is that a root beer that they're pouring there over ice, do you reckon? Or is it like a bourbon? Notes are birch bark, I think. Blue spruce, fir, balsam, vanilla. Is that wintergreen? Wintergreen and spice. There's the pour, guys. Brand new by the looks of it. Oh, yes. I'm almost getting like a licoricey aniseed off it. Whether that's the combination, giving that scent off, I don't know. That is beautiful. I can't wait to try these. So there's 3 winners. The next one is, and I've heard a lot about this, I believe it's really good, and they've hit the nail on the head with this one, and it's Autumn Cabin. They have a cabin series. You've got summer cabin, spring cabin, and winter cabin. I can't read the notes on that, guys. Oh, there's a woodiness there. That's a really realistic woodiness. Yeah, I'm getting a bit of smoke there as well. That is beautiful. I don't mean like a tobacco smoke. I'm like a fire smoke. That's beautiful. Right. Next one is Kanaskus. Is it? Explorer. I'm assuming that's the Rocky Mountains in Canada. I can't read them either. There's the pour, guys. Oh, that's quite fresh. There's an aquatic scent there as well. There's pine, there's got to be pine in there. That is beautiful. These are all winners, which is why I snatched Jay's hand off. Black Country Bourbon. I love bourbon. And this is, I can almost read that one. Something oak, roast, oak, vanilla. I can't read all of it, guys. Oh, there's patchouli in it. Cedar wood and spice. Anything with spice in I love. All brand new, guys. Except for the one. Oh, that is beautiful. That is a really relaxing, calm scent. Maybe a hint of bourbon. Hopefully that'll get stronger when it's lathered up. Right, the next one is, I couldn't resist this one. Bad Santa. And I got this because I love the film. I can't remember who was in it now. But yeah, I love the film Bad Santa. And I really wanted a really fun labelled soap for Christmas this year. Is that cinnamon? That's quite a mild scent. I would say possibly 3.5 or 4 out the tub. Oh, I can see better with there. Is that vanilla? I don't know. See if you can see that. Read that, guys. Underneath this Bad Santa. So I'm really looking forward to these. So there's 7 sets. Well wrapped again. Good idea with the how am I going to open this without scoring the label? Good idea with the bags. Well made bags as well. And this one is, almost spilt my drink. This one's the Autumn Cabin. Oh, it's a real smokiness with that one. That is beautiful. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to use these. Got some really good shades coming up, and I've still got soaps in the den that I haven't even used yet. Backcountry Bourbon. Oh yeah, Beautiful. Got a blob on my nose. Sorry if this goes on a little bit, guys. So, have you got anything coming in the post? I've got a new release. I've got a set coming through the post that I haven't received yet. So I'm hoping that'll either be sometime today or tomorrow. Birch root. I love the labels. Nice artwork, nice photography that's made into. Oh wow! Wow, that's a powerhouse. Not many more to go now, guys. And that's the Almond Biscotti. I'm sniffing them all because I'm seeing how obviously they're going to smell like the soaps, but oh, you can really smell a roast coffee with that and the almond. The coffee's more prominent than the splash. I hope it is when I lather the soap up. Excuse me. It's not just soaps and splashes, guys. Yeah, all in good order, Jay. Well packaged. And this one is Bed Center. There's definitely a spice there. That reminds me slightly of Ariana Nevins' Revolution, but not as strong. The Revolution's a real powerhouse. If you like really powerful, strong, spicy, bold scents, excuse me, Ariana Nevins' Revolution, I would recommend it. Coast to coast. I'm not bothered about the mess. Mrs. B's not here. Mrs. B's on her way as we speak, or she should be there now as we speak, in Blackpool. She's gone to see the eldest daughter and the grandkids. Oh, I'm getting a bit of citrus off that. That's beautiful. Last one. Yeah. Muggins here has to stay behind and look after all the animals. I don't mind, I've got the house to myself. While the cat's away. Yeah, it's that one, guys. I can't pronounce it, I'm going to have to learn how to pronounce it. Yeah, there's definitely an aqua with this. That is really nice and fresh. Beautiful. Can't wait. So that's 7 sets, guys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why has he bought an empty box? No, I haven't bought an empty box. If you remember, I think it was 1 or 2 unboxing videos ago, Jay loaned me some razors, quite a few, and this was one of them. I keep calling it the Outlander, it's not, it's the Overlander, it's the Carve Overland, and I was really impressed with it, and I put it on my list of wants. But he's also slimming down his razor collection to 12 razors, so he's got a 12-month rotation, and this was one of them. So I jumped at the chance as well for this. So now it belongs to me. So he sent the box along. So now I'm a proud owner of a Carve Overlander. Mildish razor, efficient, but it's a beautiful razor. There's not a lot of blade feel on it. I do like a lot of blade feel, but hey, I'm versatile. If it's a good razor and does the job and I haven't got that blade feel, then I'm happy. It's the end result that I'm looking for. Now, I've got to be careful whether it's this one. Yeah. I remembered, I got it, Jay. I had to be careful to remember the washer. I'm assuming that goes in there. I'll read this private, Jay. I don't want to read it out because it is private. Thank you, Lana. The hammer. The little hammer. It's the Pils 101 NE, I think it is. Very unique head. Look how flat that is, guys. And he sent me the stand that goes with it. Beautiful. That's the first razor I've got with a stand. Not the inkwell stands, because I've got 3 of them now, I think. Yeah, 3. So, yeah, that's beautiful. I love the chrome. That'll look nice displayed in the den. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Let me know if you've got anything coming in the post. Ask a question, anything. Let me know if you've tried any of these soaps. Let me know what you think. That's it until the next video. I'll see you again, guys. All the best. Stay smooth and stay safe. See you guys. Bye now.